the ankle. But guys, it's Friday. It's like 9 or it's 10 something right now. And guys, I just finished like putting back like, okay guys, let me start off this vlog good, because I haven't been here for like 4 months. Hi, hey guys, hey Sincerely Nays, hey guys. So today I'm back with another video, and we're gonna have a lot of fun during this video. I haven't been vlogging for a while, so I feel like I need a vlog, because guess where I'm going? I'm gonna see my mom. I haven't seen my mom in almost 2 years. Like, last time I saw my mom was January 2024. 2025? No, January 2025. So right, yeah. So I haven't seen my mom in like 1 year and a couple months. So I finally get to see my mom. I'm so happy, guys. But like, I just did my skincare, like I was my face and everything. Didn't put nothing on my face yet because I looked at it in my room. Brushed my teeth, then I used the Curl Lava and the leave-in conditioner too. Like, I have braids in, boho braids in, so like, you know how to plait my hair up, like, yeah. But like, guys, I wanted to start this vlog off tonight so I know to continue in the morning. But y'all, I missed you guys so much. I've been on TikTok though. I'm gonna put my TikTok right here and I'll also put my Instagram right here. But like, guys, I wanted to take y'all with me because I haven't vlogged in a while, and I feel like the best way to start off a summer vlog was by this. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. But right now I'm really tired, and like, I didn't really finish pack my bags yet. So like, I'm gonna go in my room, I'm gonna go to sleep and wake up early tomorrow morning and just pack my bag and just, you know, turn my head attack. My things didn't come. Like, I had to order some scarves to like wear, like, you know, to tie the scarves to give like a classy girl look, because we're gonna do a boat ride, we're gonna go to the aquarium, and then on Sunday we're gonna go to Six Flags. That's when we're gonna see my mom. So yeah, yeah, and we're gonna spend the night. We're gonna be in Connecticut, so we're gonna spend the night there. What else? I don't know. Basically it. But like, I'm really tired right now, if I can tell. But so I'm about to go in my room, go to sleep, and then I'll come back in the morning and talk to y'all more. I want to talk so bad right now, but I'm so tired. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's currently the next day. It's like 7:30 something right now. I'm so tired. I haven't woke up at like 7:30 since like, it's been a long time, because normally in school, when I'm still in school, I wake up at like 6 something. Since summer, I haven't been waking up until like 10, 9 something, 9:30, 11, depends. So like, this is the earliest I've been up ever. I'm really tired right now. I'm gonna get in the shower. Before I even brush my teeth and wash my face, I just need to get in the shower so I can wake my body up properly. So that's what I'm about to do. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go in my room and get dressed, talk to y'all while I'm getting dressed, and just tell y'all what's up. Right now, I can't do too much talking because I'm really tired. So I'm about to get in the shower. And then I'll see you guys whenever I get out. Okay guys, so I'm out the shower and it's like 8 something right now. I'm still tired. I washed my face and everything. I didn't put no moisturizer on my face.
Yes.
I got my clothes out in my bag and everything. So right now, I'm about to put my clothes on. And like, yeah. And then talk to y'all more after I put my clothes on.
It's nice.
I don't feel like talking right now. So yeah, I'm about to put my clothes on, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna do my edges, and I'm gonna tie my hair back with the scarf, because like, I need to. I can't.
It's nice.
Because I might fall asleep in the car. So like, yeah. But I'm gonna get dressed and then come back to y'all after I finish getting dressed, or in the middle of me getting dressed. So yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so I'm dressed. My hair is not giving what it's supposed to give. Fashion over counter is like the scarf that I actually like, it would give like classy vibes, like classy boy guy vibes. Like that's exactly what the scarf would have gave, but like it didn't come. So like, Now I gotta be putting my hair in a half wrap down, which I really don't like. Like, I don't know why I don't like it. So like, that's what I'm trying to do. Put the hair in a half wrap down. Okay, so like, I don't know. Let me do my edges first. Well, I don't even want to do my edges. I want to fix it properly first. I wanted to give the full look that, like, this side is not giving the look that it gave on the other side. At this point, it looks a mess. We're gonna do my edges and then fix it up later because I'm gonna tie that down because so probably it can like get how I want it to get. But yeah, y'all, the top is, let me see this one, I don't forget. The top is from Zara, and these pants are like from H&M, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these stuff. I feel like the glasses, it's not gonna show with the glasses on. Like, it looks a mess. Like, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna my edges, so yeah. Hi guys, so I'm sorry, but I'm dressed right now, and this is Shamal. He's gonna tell us y'all while I pack the things in the bag.
Yeah.
What do you have to say to them?
I have to say,
Don't you out it? Okay, tell us. You can tell us now.
and guys, I know we're not having breakfast, but we're gonna have Dunkin' Donuts.
That's all you're saying to them?
Yeah, all I am saying.
That's all you're saying?
Huh?
That's all you're saying?
Yep. So, you know what? I'm gonna go into the video. Because it's just gonna be like this.
It's not on there as yet. I didn't post it as yet.
I know you can post it yet. You didn't go in the video, so I know you didn't post it yet, but I'm gonna wait.
It's not gonna be posted until we get back. Because I'm not taking my iPad to edit with me. I believe I should.
2,000 years later.
You just like go in the next round. A power round is too late. One of them gotta be a winner.
Okay guys, I look here, but like, right now we're in Dunkin'. And I'm getting breakfast to meet my brother and my stepmom. And yeah, I have to keep my cell phone because I might forget after the bus. But yeah, I also brought my camera because like, what if I decide to switch the video over to there because I don't know how to do that. You see it? No. But yeah, we got, let me see how we got. I got a hash brown and I got a drink, and Tina had got a salad and a drink, and my son had got one. So that came to 1947. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I go back. Okay guys, so we're here. I don't know. Can I say hi? Hi. So we're here. I have my camera to take pictures because it gives like a cute like vibes. Hi. Give like a cute, like, calm vibe. So,
Oh, do you guys want to use the restroom before we go?
no, I don't want to pee.
Yes.
You want to pee?
Where's Daddy?
Right here. But we're gonna use the bathroom, and then when we get back, I'll play. So guys, we're here. The place is like right up there. I crossed the street to take a few photos, but I'm walking back over. Wait, I just said we were here earlier. But we're gonna walk in, like check in. And, yeah. Okay guys, so we just stopped to take some pictures and now we're about to tour it.
Let's see what time the sea lion
Okay. Guys, so now we're in the main gallery. Oh yeah, this is the main gallery. It's kind of foggy here. Hold on. But we're gonna walk around and see the show at like 2 or 2:30. Okay guys, so we're going to the next show.
Oh my god!
Where are we at? Tell them where we at.
We're at the Sea Lion show.
The Mystic Aquarium.
Oh, is the Sea Lion show this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're downstairs watching it. I think this is the one that we saw downstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Okay guys, so we just ate and we're walking more because we haven't really viewed everything. So who's selfish? Cut your mouth. Why am I selfish? You can toss up later. But like, wait. It said do not climb on the rocks. Get down. Guys, so we're just walking around. I don't know where it's gonna lead us to. Wait, where does this lead us to?
I just wanted to like.
What is over here?
We want to get.
What's over here?
Like it.
All of our harbor seals here are actually named after different ports and harbors around the world. So we have Halifax, we have Goose, we have Snug, we have Cork, we have Coral, we have Bristol, we have Pearl, and we have Duck.
I did look. I bet you.
Guys, we're at the Penguin Station. So pretty. But we almost left. Like, we were like, that's it. And then my dad was like, oh, look at the penguins. So I went a different way.
And then there's two beads, two sets of two different colors usually.
colors stand for numbers, and numbers tell us what order the bird.
Hey guys, so I know this video has been like off and on, but like now we're back inside the main gallery. My brother's playing right now, and I'm just walking around because we didn't see everything at first. So I just want to see like everything. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just looking around. Bro, I feel like I don't like recording in public. Like every time someone look at me, I just stop recording. I don't know why. But there's nothing really much to see in here. Like I literally walked around most of the places already. So I'm gonna go back to this is really nice. Really nice. So yeah. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we're leaving or when we get in the car and wherever we get to our next location. That's when I'm gonna see y'all. My phone is gonna die soon, so I'm gonna wait until we get to the car to plug it in. I would use my camera, but it's two different camera quality, so I might use my camera for tomorrow and not today, and just do two separate videos. I might just do two separate videos. I'm not sure, but yeah. But I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever y'all see me. Y'all will see me. But yeah. Hey guys, so we're at the boat location. Waiting for my dad. He went to go get water because we need something for the boat ride. So we're waiting. It's like 5:15 or 5 something right now, and we have to be on the boat by 5:30, I guess. The store behind me is supposed to be open, but it's closed, so bummer. You got your mouth. Just being sure. Say hi. But yeah. Okay. So did I do y'all a fit check this morning? I don't know if y'all can see me. I really can't see y'all right now. Come on, get out the my ring fell. Oh, I have it. Oh, yeah. I just don't know where it's at. So glasses, I got it at the gym. Shirt is, I told y'all this one is alright. It was painted like Air Force One. Or, yeah, I think. But like, yeah. Okay guys, so now we're walking to the boat. We're not paying attention. But like, yeah.
You gonna drive the boat? Come on.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, there's a line for the boat. Intrusive thoughts took over. Clearly. But, but yeah. It's a real baddie party, you cannot get it. Okay guys, so we made it to the hotel. Right now my brother's in the shower. This is the room. It's really cute. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Don't mind us, like everything's yeah. But like we walked in, a little couching area, desk, bathroom right there, 2 beds, and a little closet. Yep. Right now, my dad went downstairs to go see if he can like heat the food up. But like right now I'm gonna take out my clothes because after they come out I'm gonna go to shower next. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we start eating. So yeah, I'll be back.
The next day.
Hi guys, so good morning. It's the next day. It's like, John, what time is it? Okay, it's 9:48 and we're gonna go and get breakfast, then go to Six Flags, which is 1 hour away, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, we got up this morning around like 8 something, like 8:30 something. And took a shower. Everyone's getting dressed right now. But yeah, we're gonna go and get breakfast. So I'll see. Ooh, I don't care because like I don't put my attitude because like we're gonna go in the water and it's gonna get messed up anyway. So like, what's the purpose of it? Yeah. So when we're leaving the room, I'll come back to y'all and show y'all what we're doing, which is literally walking downstairs to go get breakfast. Literally, but I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so we're at our first ride. This is for mom. This is my mom. We're on our first ride. My dad is right here. Say hi, father. Say hi.
You have to have one functional arm. And one
So we're going on this ride. It's
What's another about brain?
Crazy Cars. We're going on baby ride because like on TikTok I had saw like different roller coasters stopping. Different roller coasters stopping and getting stuck. So I'm not gonna go on that. But yeah.
Actually, gotta tell you something real quick.
Tell me.
I like the harlot, something to sleep.
You what?
I like the harlot, something to
The
sleep.
hotel?
Hotel. I like the hotel.
You like the hotel that we slept at last night?
I think I stayed there forever.
You got money to stay at a hotel forever? You do? How much money you got?
I got like 9,000.
How much do you think you have to pay to stay there? Per night. Every night you gotta pay to stay there.
No.
Yeah.
How many dollars is it? $3?
No.
30? 300?
Yeah.
Over.
That means I still have $11,000.
I'll get you guys.
Guys, so we're going on the first ride. Over.
Is that yours,
No. Come. How do you look Come on, you're the other one. You're over there. Wait. No. You're bucking the right way. Are you bucking? No, I'm bucking right now.
Ready?